So this is your living room area this is the kitchen of our flat. This is a spacious and luxurious third bedroom, which is the master bedroom of this flat. Hello everyone and welcome back to Housey. Myself Nakesha, and in today's video, I am going to show you the spacious and luxurious 3 BHK sample flat of Runwal the Central Park, which is located near Anna Sahib Nagar, Pimpri Chinchwad, Pune, and developed by Runwal Realty. As you can see, I am standing at the actual location of the project, in which on the right hand side is the sales office of the project, and in front of the sales office is the Mumbai-Pune highway. And behind me is the land parcel of the project. But before I show you our sample flat, let me tell you what Housey is. Housey is India's first real estate platform which has connected its home buyers directly with the builders, giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike other current property listing platforms where your one inquiry is distributed within multiple brokers, Housey connects you directly with the developers, giving you genuine information, transparent pricing, and hassle-free home buying experience. So, what are you waiting for? Book your dream house today through Housey. Now, giving you the project's overview. Runwal, the Central Park, will be constructed on 26 acre of land parcel comprising 14 towers, which will be having 3 basements plus ground plus 2 podiums plus 42 floors. And these floors will be comprising 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 3.5 BHK and 4.5 BHK premium residencies. Now, let me tell you about the location and the connectivity of the project. This project is located near Bird Valley Lake, Anna Sahib Nagar, Pimpri Chinchwad, Pune. As you can see, this is the entrance of your project, and in front of the entrance is a service road which connects you to Mumbai-Pune highway, in which from the left side it connects you to Bombay, and from the right side it connects you to Pune city. इसमें आपको कनेक्टिविटी मिल जाती है खंडोबा चौक विच इज़ विदिन 2.1 किलोमीटर्स, चिंचवड जंक्शन विच इज़ विदिन 1 किलोमीटर एंड डी मार्ट विच इज़ विदिन 1 किलोमीटर. तो चलिए अब हम बात करते हैं एमिनिटीज़ के बारे में. This project gives you over 50 plus luxurious amenities such as indoor infinity pool, banquet hall, 15,000 plus square feet of clubhouse, badminton and squash court, indoor games, outdoor amphitheater, swimming pool, and many more. So, as you can see, I am standing at the entrance of a 3 BHK sample flat of Runwal, the Central Park, which has 1314 square feet of carpet area. So here at the entrance, you get a digital door lock to your door, and then this is your entrance's lobby, where this is where you can set up your decorative items or shoe rack. Now, let me show you the living and the dining space. So this is your living room area, where this is where you get your couch setup space, and this is where you get your TV unit setup space. You also get an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railings, and is 2-side cover. Now, before I show you the dining space, let me show you the first bedroom of this flat, as it is based on butterfly concept. So this is our first bedroom of the flat, which is a guest bedroom, where here you get your bed setup space, and this is where you get your window for ventilation and natural lighting. You get your wardrobe setup space here, and you also get an attached guest washroom to it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer vitrified tiles, and shower glass partition. Now let us check out the dining space. So this is your dining space of the flat, where you can set up your dining table and enjoy your lunch and dinner with your family and friends. Now let me show you the kitchen of this flat. So this is the kitchen of our flat, where you get two granite platforms parallel to each other. You also get a sink attached to it and a dry balcony attached to your kitchen for setting up your washing machine and utilities. You also get your refrigerator space here where you can set your fridge up. Now let me show you the second bedroom of this flat. But before I show you the second bedroom of this flat, let me show you this common washroom, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, shower glass partition and designer vitrified tiles. So this is the second bedroom of your flat, which is a kid's bedroom, where this is where you get your bed setup space. You also get an attached window to it for ventilation and natural lighting. And this is where you get your wardrobe setup space. Now, before I show you the third bedroom of this flat, which is the master bedroom, let me tell you what Housey provides you with. Housey provides you with actual location tour, sample flat videos, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment schedules, and 360-degree location tour. All this just under one platform. So, what are you waiting for? Register now for free and book your site visit today. Now, let us check out the third bedroom. So this is a spacious and luxurious third bedroom, which is the master bedroom of this flat, where this is where you get your bed setup space. You also get an attached balcony to it, which has anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railings and a two-side cover. You also get your TV unit setup space here, and you get a walk-in wardrobe space here. You also get an attached master washroom to it, which has anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, shower glass partition and designer vitrified tiles. So everyone, this was the video of 3 BHK sample flat of Runwal the Central Park, which is located near Anna Sahib Nagar, Pimpri Chinchwad, Pune and developed by Runwal Realty. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to Housey's YouTube channel, and please do visit www.housey.com to book your dream home today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.